Glwb ar tafliad yn goi. Dwi'n am y peniad gorau yn y byd. Howell. Ond disgyn daw bwysa gan Nelson, mae'r bel yn syrthio'r hir i Parker. Arbediad da gan Cochran, o mi hwnna'n gyfle da i Tim Parker. Roi met Caerdydd ar y blaen. Flay i Howell. Passion, ond camreoli'r bel. A Michael George sydd yna gyntaf i fanteisio. George! O, dyna chi gol gan Michael George! Dim gobaith o gwbl i'r gol geidwad. O leia 10 llath ar hugian. Ac fe hedfanodd y bel heibio Fuller. Tafliad i'r myfyrwyr. Clark yn eidio yn uwch na neb. Yn bell ar y Hadge, mae'r bel yn mynd. Phillips ar draws wyneb y gol, ond mae Cochran di gollwng i. Parker! Ei gwneud un gol yr un. Blerwch yn amddiffyn. Llanelli, Cochran a Bevan ar draws ei gilydd a Parker yn manteisio. Mae'r gwynt ar glaw yn dod i lawr ar hyn o bryd. Ac hefyd, mae Bevan yn mynd i'r llawr os a gic o'r sbotyn i Llanelli oes fedd ar dyfarnwr. Penderfyniad hawdd. Gic o'r sbotyn i gael ei chymryd gan Chris Jones. Fuller yn mynd i'r ffordd. Y bel yn mynd y ffordd arall. A mae Chris Jones yn rhoi Llanelli yn ôl ar y blaen. Mae'n arllwys y glaw go iawn yma rwan. Gwneud hi'n anodd iawn i bawb chwarae bel droed. Mae'r myfyrwyr yn dal i chwilio'n ffordd nôl i fewn i'r gêm. Y groesiad tuag at Parker yn troi ac yn ergydio i gornel y rhwyd. Ac unwaith eto, Tim Parker gyda'i ail gol o'r gêm sy'n dod ar myfyrwyr y gyfartal. 7 munud o'r 90 o weddill Griffstead ar gic rydd. Liam Black yn penio'r bel i gornel y rhwyd yn ymateb cyn ein goi ac am y tro cynta heno. Mae'r myfyrwyr ar y blaen, gic rydd hyfryd gan Stead a Black yn rhwydo.
We spoke about the strength of our squad over the last couple of seasons, and we had the intentions after last week of maybe making a few changes, but our hands were forced this week with the injuries to a couple of key players, and as we've alluded to in our press, that we've had a mumps outbreak at the university, so our hands really were forced, and we made the changes. And some people said they were lambs to the slaughter, and I've just spoke to Andy after the game and said, look, we've not done this tonight deliberately. We were forced, and I was really pleased with the strength and depth that we showed in our squad. As you say, 10 changes. We've won the game 3-2, and it's very pleasing from a squad perspective that we can do that.
I've said it before, it's been a really tough season. It's been really grueling, and you know, it's credit to the boys who've kind of stuck at it and seen it through. The easiest thing would have been to throw the towel in and to quit, which some boys have done along the way. And we've scraped over the line, kind of fulfilling our fixtures. We had bare 11 today. So yeah, we just dropped on Division 1 now, and we regroup in the summer and go again.
We've planned for Caernarfon all along. We knew that it potentially could be Newtown, but we've planned for Caernarfon and nothing changes. Caernarfon are a fantastic side. They've done very well this year with Sean. And when we go there prepared, we've managed to rest bodies tonight. Unfortunately, some with illnesses, and hopefully they'll be back before then. But we've managed to rest key individuals so they have a good break ahead of the Caernarfon game. And we have to come back. It's knockout football. There's no comeback there next week for a draw type scenario. It's knockout football, and we have to go there and show resolve, show robustness, but also show a clinical set of mind in order to beat, like I say, a very strong, stern outfit in Caernarfon Town.